Yes.
We're gonna go to the shopping again.
Don't get the water in your mouth. Actually, it's quite steep that. That's not even the big one yet. Yeah, to everybody watching this, it really does have an eggy smell, all that water. That's, I think it's just like lake water, and there must be some kind of fungus in it or whatever, but it does really, really smell horrible.
Why does my hair stink?
What's that? We have. Through the waterfall! Woo!
Oh, that's got a bit wet then.
Oh dear, I fell back then. There's no backrest, I feel like I'm on river caves. Oh God.
I was trying to hold on with one hand.
Yeah.
Keep my legs out. My legs out.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh, getting an ab workout here.
Here we go.
Now here we go, it's the big one.
Here we go, Ethan.
Woo! Oh, I didn't fare too bad there. That's not too bad at all. That's the end of the ride. That was a good one.